welcome back to another weekly vlog. Oh my gosh. So today is Wednesday, it's June 25th. Y'all probably won't see this vlog until July because my birthday is at the end of the month. Whenever, sorry y'all, my voice, I just woke up. It's a little bit like icky. So the only thing that I was able to do was get my lashes done. So unfortunately that's not done, but we're about to do our hair removal and go get our nails done, and then we're gonna straighten up the house, try on these clothes, pack. It's like a lot of things we gotta do. So yeah, first I'm gonna take out my retainers and wash my face, and then we're gonna get straight into this maintenance vlog. I really hope that y'all like it. I'm gonna remove my hair. I'm gonna be using Beat. Sorry, I don't know if y'all can see this, but I do have cat hair on me because Leia wanted a little bit of love this morning. But I love to use Beat for hair removal when it's too early to get a wax or when I don't have time to get a wax. And it's kind of both of those. My hair hasn't grown out enough, so I'm going to use Beat to remove the hair. And then I'm going to shave. I'm going to use EOS shaving cream in the shower. This is my favorite shower cream. It's the EOS Evolution. I love this scent, or the vanilla cashmere. Yeah, vanilla bliss or vanilla cashmere. And then my favorite razor is, I think this is the flamingo razor because I see the flamingo logo. But I love this razor. It's so good. I have a pink one and a purple one because pink and purple are my favorite colors. Yeah, so what you do, I have these in stock. You just take it and you lick it on like that, and then you have your new razor. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. That's already gonna take 10 minutes to let this remove. Then after that, I need to make sure my hair is nice and blowed out. I was gonna decide if I wanted to do a quick face or not, but I'm probably not because I don't think I'll have the time, because I want to be the first person there at the nail salon so that I can leave on time for my hair appointment at 12. So yeah, I'll be right back. I'm gonna do this. I will try to see if I can get some clips, y'all. I don't know if I'll be able to, but we'll see. Do I want to leave it down or do I want to claw clip it? I don't know how to claw clip this though. Ooh, chalet. Ooh, chalet. This is the best I can do, babes. Ooh. I'm gonna go and just have to really get a grip on this. Okay, this how I'm finna go outside. I have too much hair and I'm not finna put no wrap over this because that's gonna take too long. I ain't got time for that. So let's go ahead and put our bangles on. I'm wearing my Tory Burches. They have like gold accents on them, so I want it to be a gold girly today. So Let me just go ahead and do that. I do gotta go, y'all. It's 9:45. I was supposed to be out by 9. Favorite scents. This is Yara. Well, really my favorite scent is Gentle Fluidity Gold by MFK. But I'm gonna put this on because I have no more of that. And I wanted to go on a trip this weekend, so I didn't buy me another one. Just for that. But I'll buy one soon. Hopefully this don't have me sneezing all day. Shoot. Ooh. Y'all, I overspray. I need this to last. Because I'm probably not going to be home until my man get home. So I need to be already smelling good. But yeah, y'all, let's go. The quality might change because I am going to be filming on my new DJI Osmo Pocket 3 that my man got me. So I'm gonna see y'all later. No earrings because I hate when I'm getting my hair done and the earrings snag against the hair. That's like a it just makes me ick. But bye y'all, see y'all later. I'm gonna use my camera my man got me or whatever. I'm not gonna lie to y'all.
Go past this light. Then at the next one.
This is my first day. Oh my gosh, can she shut up? This is my first day using this like DJI. And
at the light, turn right onto West McDowell Road.
You know what? You hush. Okay, what I was saying was that I really do need her to talk though. What I was saying was that it's my first day using this DJI, and y'all, I really hope that I do this little thing justice. It's so tiny, y'all. I love it. I love how like discreet it is. But y'all, so two things. I had to stop and get gas, which pushed me back a little bit further. And then y'all, tell me why the lady texted me, the hairstylist, and it's a little bit more expensive than I thought, which is okay. But I wish that they would say something because I'm looking at your website and it just says one price. And what if I was the type of person, and I am that type of person that goes to get the cash, and I only had what you had on there. So you mean to tell me 2 hours before the appointment and you're 30 something minutes away and I have other things planned, you're gonna tell me that it's more than that, like significantly more than that? I'm annoyed, and I'm really annoyed even more because I really hope that I don't get in there and they try to play me and try to charge me extra because of the length of my real hair. Y'all saw my hair in the previous clip from the Sony. It's long, and people be like, you have to get, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, let me stop being ignorant. My hair is waist length. Like, I do need to stop playing. Look, straightened, it's waist length, but curly, it looks like mid back length, and shrinkage gives it like shoulder length. But I get why why a hairstylist would be like, your hair is longer than waist length and you're booking a waist length service. But I thought braids kind of like shorten your hair. Like every time I do a braid out, it gives shrinkage. So I don't know. And then how are you gonna charge me extra for something that I can't help? I don't know, y'all. I'm so over it. We just gonna have a good day. People been trying to do the most. Like, people in Arizona, they drive so freaking crazy. Like, it's annoying, y'all. But hey, we just gonna have a good day. Hopefully these people, I went to them last time and they only worked on my hands and my feet separately. They did not do it both at the same time. So I'm really finna ask them, hey, do you think y'all can work on both at the same time? Because I got somewhere to be. Like, I have somewhere to be. So we're here now. Hopefully they do me right, y'all. But see y'all in a minute.
Hey, good morning, beauty.
Good morning. Thank you. How are you? How you doing?
Thank you. See, I'm very flat.
Thank you.
How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
See.
I can put it next to me.
What's the name?
Diamond.
Diamond.
Yes.
Diamond?
Yes.
I put some diamond on your hair today.
Thank you.
That thing cool.
I know, right?
Camera.
Yeah. Before.
Keep it just like before. Times when I never even thought to speak. Don't wanna tell you what it is. Oh wait, now so serious. Got me thinking just too much. I wanna shut it out. But it's this one thing that got me tripping. It's this one thing that got me tripping. It's one thing.
You can feel it on me. That's why we gotta pray. In my victory, it's your power over me. Give my all to you, Lord, I let go. Please.
Oh my gosh.
Hi.
All this hair, I love it.
Thank you. Oh, it's nice. How are you? I'm good. Do I sit right here? Yes. Is it okay if I vlog?
Here and there, but I never like.
Yeah. You should, because that one, I think it was reaching the right audience, because I just moved out here from Texas. And you know, Houston, Texas.
I'm from Dallas, girl.
I'm from Dallas.
You from Dallas, Oak Cliff or what?
Oak Cliff.
You from Oak Cliff, living?
Dang, that's crazy. What brought you out here?
Girl, 8 years ago, just transitioning my job, transitioning my place, just wanted something new.
Really?
Yeah, just wanted a new. I know, I just got.
Wow. I only came out Christmas night. Ooh,
No,
girl.
it's humid where we're from, but there feels like there's at least a little breeze.
Yeah. Y'all, I'm here now, and guess what? She's literally from Dallas. Ain't that crazy? That is so crazy. That is crazy. Y'all, my hair.